how to change the trigger word for Siri. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pick a custom trigger word for Siri so that if you say it, Siri will come up and talk to you. Like I currently have it for gauging gadgets. And as you can see, it opens up Siri. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to do this, it's really easy. Simply open up the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and select accessibility. Once in accessibility, scroll down to where you get to speech and select vocal shortcuts. From there, just turn on vocal shortcuts and select add action. You'll then need to select continue. Then once in here, just go to the top and search Siri. Select Siri. And then give it the custom phrase that you want. So I'm going to do YouTube. Once I hit go, you'll need to go through training it by saying that phrase 3 times. So I'll select go. YouTube. 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 So now it's set up. If I select continue and I say YouTube, saying that word YouTube will trigger Siri on my iPhone. And that's how you change or customize the trigger word for Siri on your iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.